I like this one. He's tough. Makes me want to jump in there with you. See who walks out.
Action Baze. The casting for this picture has far exceeded my expectations, and that all starts with Christian Bale. Christian is an actor's magnet, in which every actor wants to go toe-to-toe with Christian Bale because he's so widely admired. And then there's Casey Affleck, Woody Harrelson, Forrest Whitaker, who's one of our great actors, Zoe Saldana, Sam Shepard, who is a national treasure, and then, of course, Willem Dafoe.
They don't make movies like this anymore. They don't tell these kind of stories very often.
Oh, man!
I've always been drawn to stories that explore all the mystery and drama and human relationships.
How much do you loan you?
$1,500. My character is re-entering society, which is very challenging, and also trying to make a life during a very unstable financial time.
There's nothing wrong with working for a living.
Working for a living? I gave my life for this country. But what's it done for me? Huh? What's it done for me?
There's like this quiet understanding that's going on, that there's some things that have happened that have damaged everyone.
You gotta be a good boy and take a dive. We're gonna have to teach you a lesson.
Rodney!
They haven't been able to find your brother. The people up in those hills, don't read a justice that it does not include us.
There's so much respect that I have for people that stay and fight.
You got a problem with me? I got a problem with everybody. My character is not a very nice guy.
This DeGroat is the worst. He haunts those mountains.
We're gonna get one shot at this guy.
This story is about what you're going to stand up for and what you're going to let go.
I'm Rodney Baze's brother. I ain't leaving without him.
We're brothers, and we're all we got.